What's up, YouTube? This is the Gwaltney Locker back here, and we are ripping another box of Select 2018-19 Select Basketball. Last box, we did not do very good for the on average. We only got one autograph, and we also did not get our orange pulsar, which is pretty deflating. So hopefully this box has a little something to say about it. Let's get right into it. If I forgot to say it, this is first off the line. This is actually the first time I've been able to get some, so I'm really excited about that. You might hear the baby crying in the background, but she's doing okay. She just misses mom. Alright, let's get right into it.
Are you recording?
That's Grandpa in the background. Taking care of little baby. Alright. Reggie Jackson. Jordan Bell. Josh Richardson. Kyrie Leonard. And Kentavious Caldwell Pope. That man needs a shorter name. Alright. Ooh, we got something there. We'll save it. Let's save it. That didn't work out very good for me last time saving everything because we got screwed. I'm still a little bit bitter about that. Musa, rookie card. Troy Brown. Kent Bazemore die cut. And Robert Williams, rookie. We'll do a rundown at the end as well of some of the hits that we got. Or inserts. Robin Lopez. Karl Anthony Towns. Kyrie Irving. Andrew Wiggins. Tricolor. LeBron James. Courtside. Nice card. Yeah, I've been looking forward all day to opening these, and then not getting a pulsar and not getting close to the average of the box is pretty discouraging. Trae Young on the front. Dennis Smith Jr. Eric Bledsoe. Prism. And here's our pulsar courtside. DeAndre Ayton. Very nice. It's not a bad one to get. And that is going to be 5 of 13. Nice card. Goes really well with the Suns get up there. And Michael Porter Jr. It's always hard to kind of sort cards while you're in the middle of opening packs. Alright, there's another hit. So this box is starting out a little bit better. Jason Tatum, Chandler Hutchinson, DeMar DeRozan, slash and dash, Kyrie red to 199, nice card, and Derek Favors. Got another hit, yeah. Those are all, that's 3 fat pack hits, so I wonder if we might steal one to get closer to our average here somewhere. Looks like we got a gold die cut. Be interesting. Eric Bledsoe, Elio Kobo, Tony Parker, and the Heat. The only one that I'd want from the Heat is Dwayne Wade, and it's Goran Dragic. It's a 65, so actually I think that's a copper, and then a Chris Middleton. All right. Miles Bridges, D'Angelo Russell, Elio Kobo Prism, Robert, wow, just a little squeak there, Robert Williams III, Scope, and D'Anthony Milton. Winding down here. That's an interesting name. Kevin Durant, Kemba Walker, and a Scottie Pippen Slash and Dash Prism. Very nice. Big Scottie Pippen fan when he played with the Bulls and the Blazers. Chris Paul tie-dye. Very nice. To 25. I hit something else that he was 25 in a previous box, and it missed his jersey number by one. Another Kevin Durant on the back. Alright, last unopened pack, and then we'll get to hits. Wow, that was incredible. That was incredible. Alright, Terry Rozier, Amari Spellman, Evan Fournier, Trailblazers, Anthony Simons, very nice. Prism, courtside, and Thaddeus Young. Alright, let's get to some of these guys. Alright, Yusuf Nurkic, Jaren Jackson, base rookie, Landry Shamet, and enclosed game-worn material, Cavaliers, Isaiah Thomas. Nice card. Looks like the patch is gray. Very nice throwback memorabilia, Isaiah Thomas. And Jerome Robinson. Next hit, Marcus Aldridge, Lonnie Walker, Musa, tricolor. And this one is to 49. Karl Malone. Purple. Well, purple patch. Looks like it's copper in color. Nice patch, Karl Malone. And it looks like we have our autograph last. That's the way we like to do it anyways. Lonzo Ball. Malik Monk. So we do have some blue there. Could be a lot of things. To 199, Oklahoma City Thunder. Hamidou Diallo. Nice card. Not who you're looking for when it's blue. Nice nonetheless. 199. Kevin Huerter and Alan Crabb. All right, let's go through some of the inserts and the hits real quick. So we have that Diallo rookie patch to 199, sorry. Karl Malone to 49. Isaiah Thomas, not numbered. Anthony Simons. Scottie Pippen Prism Slash and Dash. Chris Paul tie-dye, 25. Robert Williams III Scope. Goran Dragic, copper die cut to 60. Kyrie Irving. Trae Young base. DeAndre Ayton. Orange Pulsar. LeBron James courtside. Andrew Wiggins, tricolor. And a Kent Bazemore die cut. And that'll do it for this box. We will catch you guys later. Thanks.